After a 22-hour flight from Houston to Nairobi, and then an 8-hour drive from Nairobi all the way up to Samburu, we got settled into our lodging and then started the next day at 4:30 a.m., well before dawn, to meet our first group of Ewaso Lions conservationists. These were a group of intrepid women called Mama Simba, and they're focused on restoring habitat for wildlife in two ways. One, they're focused on removing an invasive species that's been introduced here. It's a type of mesquite, which is a kind of woody encroachment in a grassland habitat. Basically, this mesquite is taking over and reducing areas where grasses are needed for the wildlife here. The second way is they're taking native grass seeds, collecting those seeds, and then placing them back in the ground in a way that when the rains sweep in, all those grasses will begin to emerge during the rainy season. Later in the day, we were able to observe the Warrior Watch program, which was started by our very own Houston Zoo wildlife warrior, Jeneria. Jeneria gathered this group of warriors from the community together, and they were able to learn from one another different ways of promoting coexistence between wildlife, communities, and their livestock. They also met with the elders there from the community, which was such an inspirational gathering. We got to see the elders gather with the young warriors, share stories together, share guidance and instruction, and then these warriors graduated from the Warrior Watch program, and that was an inspiration to see. After a long and inspirational day, we were able to observe and participate in the conservation game, which is kind of like an obstacles course set up to let warriors understand better all the threats that lions face in the wild. You navigate an obstacle course together and you're blindfolded. You've got to dodge fire. You've got to dodge zoonotic disease. You've got to dodge drought. You've got to find sources of water as you're making your way through this obstacle course. And what it's meant to do is to inspire a deeper sense of empathy with lions and all the obstacles they face in the environment. Day one, what a day. Now stay tuned because we've got many more adventures to share with you here in beautiful Samburu, Kenya.